The vaccine race has received another shot in the arm with Sydney's first drive-through clinic opening in the city's southwest. More than 50% of people aged 16 and over have now had both doses. But the day has been marred by sadness. Another 1,200 people have the virus and 12 have lost their lives.
Two of the latest deaths from COVID, one in Sydney's far west, another on the Central Coast, are even more worrying than usual.
A woman in her 20s from Western Sydney died at Nepean Hospital. She had received one dose of a COVID vaccine. A woman in her 20s died at Gosford Hospital. She was not vaccinated.
New South Wales Health says she was receiving care from the disability support provider Life Without Barriers at Wyong.
I'm in grave fears that more of this will happen if we don't achieve high vaccination rates among people with disabilities and the people that support them.
The vaccination drive has been ramped up to prevent more people succumbing to the disease. And a familiar face in the community is the driving force behind Sydney's first drive-through clinic.
We are hoping to capture large families to come in with their adolescent kids to be vaccinated.
We have to do it, don't we, to get back to normal life?
I feel amazing. It's my second dose and I'm so glad I got it done.
It's a relief actually. Just before they go back to school, at least I know they have one dose.
One of those children keen for class is 12-year-old Andrew.
Maybe I can go back to school, meet with my friends. That'd be pretty good.
He is not the only one who's looking forward to freedom.
Super exciting. I really hope that this means I can travel overseas soon to see my brother and my dad in the UK.
The state passed another notable vaccine milestone today. 50% of over 16s have received 2 doses. Officials and residents here in southwest Sydney are doing their bit to drive that number up quickly.
We're not going to be happy with 60 or 70 or 80. To be honest, we need to keep on pushing to get it in the 90s.
A community pushing for freedom. Rani Hayman, ABC News, Sydney.
Another 2 regional areas are tonight back in lockdown. Everyone in the Hilltops and Glen Innes council areas have been ordered to stay home for 7 days as officials scramble to slow the spread of COVID there. Patrick Bell is live for us in Glen Innes tonight. Patrick, why have authorities reimposed these restrictions now?
Jeremy, a person who recently returned to Glen Innes from Sydney has tested positive. They were allowed to travel, but health officials say ending this lockdown in a week will require enough people getting tested. Elsewhere in the state, 4 cases have been confirmed at Young. Several exposure sites have also been listed. Some of them are a fortnight old. Now, it's been a fortnight since we've seen some of those early exposures in Young, so it's very difficult to tell when we might see some more cases, if at all, there. Of course, 5 council areas have now been plunged back into lockdown since restrictions were relaxed last weekend. And it seems like on-again, off-again lockdowns are now the norm, and no part of regional New South Wales is immune. Jeremy?
Patrick Bell reporting from Glen Innes.